Now we start the new topic known as error. Error in a measurement. What is an error? Error is the difference in between true value and the measure value of any physical quantity. True value minus measure value. Error are of different types of error. Number one, constant error. If the same amount of error comes in every measurement, then error is known as constant error. If the same amount of error value comes in each measurement is known as constant error. For example, if we have a scale, and in that particular scale we know in every scale the division is 5. We assume in each scale the division is 5, but in one measurement the division is 3. The division is 4. Here division is 5, 5, the division is 4. 5 division, 5 division, 4 division. If we calculate the value or any quantity or measure the any length with the help of this scale, then the error due to one division comes in each and every measurement. So this type of error is known as constant error. Now the second one is systematic error. Systematic error. If the error have a certain system, it may be in positive direction or negative direction. It may be in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. If there is particular system is over there, then this type of error is known as systematic error. If error occur in one direction, it may be either positive or negative, then the error is known as systematic error. The systematic error are of different types. Number one, instrumental error. Number one, instrumental error. If the instrument is defective, when it is made, then when the instrument is made defective, then it gives a certain reading. If we move in opposite direction, then that type of error is known as instrumental error. The error occurs due to the inbuilt effect of the measuring instrument, then the error is known as instrumental error. Number two, error due to imperfection in experimental technique.